Thank you for joining me. I'm Alex, and I would like to have a look at RH, which is the parent company of Restoration Hardware, surprisingly enough. And today, the Berkshire Hathaway announced that they were opening a position in Restoration Hardware, and that's why I wanted to go over it and see why they would want to buy this. So, what they do is luxury furniture, which might be one clue on why they would want to buy that. Current price is $175, which gives them a market cap of $3.2 billion. So a fairly small company, especially considering Berkshire Hathaway does not usually invest in companies this small. Dividend is 0 right now, and I don't see that changing anytime soon. Current revenue, $2.5 billion, which is up slightly. Earnings, $150 million, which is up a lot, but only to the previous year and the year before that. But 3 years ago, they actually had almost the same earnings. Not quite there, but it wouldn't be that much of an increase. Current PE is 27, which, slightly too rich for my blood, and I'm quite surprised that Warren Buffett would invest in that. So total assets $1.8 billion, total liabilities also $1.8 billion, which gives them a total stockholders equity of slightly negative $23 million, which is also down. Previous year it was $7 million in the negative. And so let me sum that all up first and say that for a growth investor, obviously, you wouldn't want to invest in this company. For a dividend investor, you obviously also wouldn't want to invest in this company. And for a value investor, you obviously also don't want to invest in this company. Now, why would Warren Buffett buy this? I don't think he would. So I don't think that this is a pick that Warren Buffett directly purchased. I think it was one of his other managers, and I don't think that Warren Buffett buys a company with a PE of 27 without a very good reason. I don't think that Warren Buffett really buys a company that doesn't pay a dividend without a very good reason, and I don't think Warren Buffett would buy a company with a balance sheet this bad without a very good reason. So the two options here are that one of his managers actually wanted to buy this company for other reasons, or he wanted to buy this company for other reasons. Now, obviously, Warren Buffett also already owns furniture companies, so there is a good chance of an integration there, and there's a good chance that they understand the business and what could make this business vastly profitable, rather than buying profitable businesses, which is what Berkshire Hathaway usually does. And so for that reason, I don't think I will be buying RH anytime soon, and I don't think that anyone else should either. I think this is more of a way for Warren Buffett or Berkshire Hathaway as a whole to lead a company to be profitable, rather than buying a profitable company, which means that if you're speculating on Berkshire Hathaway completely taking over this business and you have reasonable knowledge that validates that assumption, I think it would be a good buy. But in that case, I would probably just directly buy Berkshire Hathaway instead of taking this intermediate step. So overall, I would say I wouldn't buy this company right now, and I wouldn't know why anyone would do that either, unless they had a lot more information than I do. So that's it for me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.